Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the device type and unlocking it. This prevents later interruptions. Open the Google app or long press home to summon Assistant. Once visible, tap your profile icon to access settings. You do this because Assistant settings live inside your account controls, not general phone settings. Make sure to choose the correct Google account if you have multiple ones. That ensures you modify the voice assistant linked to the device you're using right now. You now navigate to Assistant Voice Match or Voice Activation. These controls govern wake words and hands-free detection. Turn off the Hey Google toggle to stop voice activation. Once done, the assistant won't listen for the wake phrase. If you see an option labeled Unlock with Voice Match or Access with Voice, disable that too to prevent accidental logins. This reduces ambient activation and conserves privacy because the microphone stays inactive for assistant triggers. You finish by verifying the toggles show off and then exit settings. That both saves changes and stops further prompts. If Assistant still responds, restart your device to apply changes cleanly. Should it persist, clear voice match data or uninstall updates for the Google app and reinstall. This forces a fresh configuration. One troubleshooting tip: if voice activation resumes, check other apps with microphone permission and revoke them, because another app can re-enable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.